Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing dusty slides in both gears. Ice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. You know she wants mine when she tattooed.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, we are going to be achieving this Bantu Knot Out. If you haven't seen my last video already, please go check it out before you come look at this one, because I will show you guys how to achieve Bantu knots, and today we're just going to be achieving the knot out. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so if y'all checked out my last video, then you would have seen how to achieve these Bantu knots. Right now they look crazy, obviously, because I had them tied down when I went to bed. So this is what they look like currently, but I'm gonna drop a clip with what they looked like when they were freshly done. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm just going to start at the back. I'm just gonna hold it like this and literally unwrap all the way down. Oh, this is cute. And I'm gonna repeat that throughout the rest of my hair.
Young stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Young stutter till I die. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Hold on, fuck that.
So this is what they look like right now. Now what I'm gonna do is separate the twist like so, and then I'm gonna separate this again into two like so.
Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out the commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
So what I'm gonna try to do right now is kind of just make it all together.
Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Stepping spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my picture straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight.
Okay guys, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so y'all stay notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.